Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Guess what time it is? It is plant mail time. We got plant mail, y'all. I ordered some plants. BWH was having a sale this month. And there was a few things on here that I wanted, a couple of plants that it's on my list of plants to get. So let me bring you down some more so you can actually see the plants. Okay. Oh no. I hate that face tracker thing, y'all. Oh no. Yeah, so anyway, they were having a sale and I purchased some plants. Took a while to get here too though, I will say that. And they did explain that, you know, when they have the sales, it takes a while for shipments to, it takes them a while to ship things out, which is understandable, right? Okay, and you know, let me turn off this face tracker. I can't stand it. Okay. Oh, hold on, y'all. My husband calling. Oh, everybody want to call me. My husband called me. Anyway, to put someone on his schedule. Anywho, I don't know. Okay, so back to this. Ordered some plants. It took a while to get here, but I understand. I like this company, and I'm trying not to get dirty because I just literally got my clothes on, my nighttime clothes on, skincare done. I ain't trying to get dirty, so I'm over here. That's fine. I'm gonna just bring the box. Bring the box in here. Okay, so let's see. Well, the first one is, oh, okay. So this one is an Alocasia. And I like this company, so I wasn't too mad. I'm not mad at all, really, about how long it took from the time of ordering, just because, again, their plants are quality. So this is the variegated Alocasia y'all. I appreciate this though, because I've seen some people have such bad experiences with their orders coming in all janky. So I appreciate them taking their time and isn't it beautiful? This is the variegated Alocasia Dragon Mint Scale. Yeah, look at her or him. Do you see it? See what I'm saying about the quality? Nothing's broken. Everything's healthy. I absolutely love the variegation in this one. And the funny thing is, I went to a nursery last weekend and saw this very plant, and I was like, oh dang. But I had already ordered it, so I'm like, well, there's no point in buying this, and then I'm, you know how we can get as plant parents, we'll sit here and order two of everything, which is not bad, because if one dies, then okay. So that's one. I think it was 3. And then I have a surprise plant. Let's see. Okay, so this one is a philodendron. Y'all know that is my favorite Genius of Plants. And I had one, and I think when something happened to it in the midst between me moving. Me and my husband were dating and then got engaged. I think that's what happened to it. But this is the philodendron. Let me open it. Here we go. Oh, I love that packaging. This is the philodendron spiritus senti. Senti. Isn't it pretty? Again, packaged well. None of my babies so far are damaged or in poor condition. I love this company. So that's number 2. I'll clean it up. As long as I don't get dirty, I'm good. Okay. And this one here. Okay. This is, I've seen the prices on this is still high, and so I've been waiting on the price to go down a little bit. It's just a price point I have for certain things, and just didn't feel like paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars for this plant. You know what I mean? And not knocking anybody who do. I mean, I do have $100 plants here in my collection. I just didn't feel like I wanted to pay for $100 at the time for anything of this right now. But I am eyeing a plant that is like, that might be a Christmas gift from hubby or my oldest son. This is the Florida Beauty Sunrise. Now, I'm not seeing the variegation on this one. It's giving me yeah, it says this is the Florida Beauty Sunrise. It's supposed to have like yellow markings on it. Okay. This small leaf here has the yellow marking, the variegation. I don't know if you can see that. I want this box to tip over. Okay, so I see it. It's reminding me a lot of the other, what do I have? I have the Florida Green. I have the Florida Bronze up here. And, oh, here we go. This is the Florida Ghost that I got a few months ago, and it's doing really well. They're so easy. It's giving me a new baby already, and this started off as a 4-inch too. So quick grower, easy. I love them. So it's giving me that. It's giving me, yeah. If you see it side by side, y'all, does it not look very similar? I'm pretty sure it's cultivated from almost the same thing. Oh, my self-watering pot. So that's the Florida Beauty Sunrise. This is the Sunrise. Now, I am looking for the actual Florida Beauty, and I'm hoping to get that soon. Put you down here before. I gotta get the self-watering thing. Okay, and I like this company because if you buy a certain amount or spend a certain amount, they are really good about giving you a free plant. And I love that. I love companies that appreciate their customers. And that makes me want to shop with them even more for their plants. So I ordered from them. What is it? Echinacea? Lord, I'm butchering the name, and I done ordered my a lot of my philodendrons from that place. It's Ecuador. They're from Ecuador, imports, but they have a facility in Florida, and I love their stuff too. I got a couple of plants I'm gonna showcase. Anyway, okay, let me see what this one is because it's a surprise. Oh, they sent me 2 Florida Beauties, y'all. Oh, how cool. So my surprise plant is another Florida Beauty Sunrise. Okay, wait. Y'all, I think what happened is, ooh, look, I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited, y'all. So this is the Sunrise. And I think, let me look at the label that's on the actual brown paper, because I got excited. Okay, so this is the Sunrise, it says. Look at the variegation on this one. It is beautiful. The variegation on this one, you can really, really see the Sunrise. I cannot wait for these to get so bigger, much bigger. I love getting smaller plants a lot of times too because they acclimate one to my environment way better, especially Alocasias. I find that when I get them big, they tend to, they're so dramatic, and then they get here and then they get even more dramatic. I have some, y'all, that act like they don't even want to be here right now for the winter. And I'm like, okay, whatever. This leaf came off, but that's okay. So this is the Sunrise. I love the variegation. They're all 4-inch pots, in 4-inch pots, but they grow so fast. And I put them in, I might put these in my greenhouse cabinet. So yeah, now let's investigate, besties. Okay, that Alocasia Dragon Mint, y'all, I don't know if the video is doing it any favors, but it's really so pretty. It is so pretty. Okay, so this is the Florida Beauty Sunrise right here that I just opened. Let me see. And then this one, okay, this is the plant surprise. This is why you gotta read. They sent me a Florida Beauty. Now the Florida Beauty is what I'm wanting. That I felt like, okay, no, I'm not spending, y'all. It's a lot of money for that stuff still. And I'm talking about for like a little 4-inch. I'm seeing it in the hundreds, right? So when I saw the Florida Beauty Sunrise on BWH, I said, oh, let me get that. And they were having a great sale. Catch them on a good sale. Their prices are really reasonable anyway. But if you can catch them on a sale, I think you'll really, really enjoy it. You can start your collection that way if you want to start with the smaller plants. Because I don't think they sell anything over 4-inch pots. I could be wrong, but the stuff that I order is always 4-inch pots. So y'all, let's take a look back at this. This is the Florida Beauty. This is the surprise plant. I'm excited because, oh, let me compare it to the Sunrise. I don't know, friends. I don't see much difference. Oh, the petioles here. So the Beauty has the darker petioles, and then the Sunrise is not as dark. It's not as red. You see what I'm talking about? Okay. You see? Focus. Put this down. Okay. Do you see this? You see how red it is? Right? And then if you look here, it's not as dark. So I guess that's how I'm going to tell them apart, because right now I can't tell them apart. Oh my gosh, but I am happy with my plant haul. Y'all, this was a good one. This was worth the wait. This was absolutely worth the wait. My surprise plants came and everything came in great condition. Oh my gosh. I am over the moon that I got a Florida Beauty, and that's actually on one of my wish lists. That's one of my plant wish lists. So that's cool to see that I will be getting, that I got one. And this Alocasia here, y'all, oh my God. So pretty. This Dragon Mint. I don't know what's going on. I really like this. This was worth the wait, y'all. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so that's the unboxing. That was everything. This is all of my new plant babies. Yes. Y'all, let me know if you guys, if you already have these plants, if they're on your wish list. Are they hard to take care of? They're easy. I think the Florida Beauty and the Florida Beauty Sunrise are going to be pretty standard. But the dirt all over me now. But the Alocasia, I don't know what's going on in this plant room, but my Alocasias are acting really funny right now. This one, I'll show you my Alocasia haul. My black velvet, we'll see. Anyway, but let me know in the comments if you guys have any comments, any tips for how to take care of them, Alocasia during the winter. Do you have the Sentai, however you pronounce it? Do you have the Alocasia Mint Dragon? Okay, so it's the Alocasia Green Dragon Scale Mint, whatever. Do you have that? That's so pretty. I didn't even know. When I saw that, I was like, oh, I gotta get that. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, like, comment, share. I would really appreciate that. Help me grow this channel. But yeah, that's it. So that's the unboxing for today. I do have a few more plants that's on my list. I might put that on my Christmas list and see what I can. It's a couple of anthuriums that I'm looking for. Yeah, a couple of anthuriums. So yeah, that's it, y'all. So I hope everybody's having a great day, a great week, a great month. And it's almost towards the end of the year, y'all. So find a hobby, find something to find joy in, you know. But until next time, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy it. I really appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to even watch my videos and engage with me. Until next time, guys. Bye. Thank you. Toodles. Oh my God. Blessed and highly favored. Oh. You look like you're the people, though. You look like your peoples. Like, at the... I'm gonna have to do some investigation. Oh, yeah.